This is the Mandler 35mm 2.0, and it's probably the best budget 35mm you can get for the Leica M mount system right now. Okay, I say you can get it, but I'm just looking and it's sold out again after I think the third drop. Hopefully you can get it. It's the best lens that you can hopefully get right now. Okay, story time. About a month and a half ago, I was in Bangkok. I was thinking, I think I want a 35mm lens. It's a focal length that on a rangefinder, it just never sat well with me, or I never really liked the photos that I got from the previous 35mm that I had. I went into this store that I love. It's on the 5th floor of this strange mall just off of Chinatown that has a bunch of vintage camera shops. And there's a shop there that I've bought some stuff before. It's called The Shutter. Really nice people, they speak good English, and they have some of the best selection of Leica and kind of higher end camera gear in Bangkok. So I was looking through their 35mm lenses, saw the Summicrons, Summoluxes, saw the price tags, didn't really want to pay that. I was almost giving up hope, and finally she said, I have a Manler. I looked at her and I said, what is a Manler? She pulled out a lens, it was in this bubble case, and it looked just like the 35mm Summicron. It was about 12,000 Thai baht, which is roughly 350, 360 American dollars. So I thought, you know, it's kind of a no-brainer. Looking for a 35mm, this is a new brand, new lens. Try it out. Worst case, I'll just sell it, pass it on to somebody else. This is the Mandler 35mm 2.0 in M mount. It's on a Leica M10P. It comes with a square hood, which I actually kind of like. I like a square hood on my lenses. And it comes with a 39mm screw mount UV filter. This is the box itself. Manler PRC. It's kind of on the nose with the Summicron M. I don't know what Leica's legal department has to say about that, but that's not for me to comment on, not for me to decide. The black model, there is a chrome model, which I believe costs a little bit more. Let's open this up. I don't know if Manler did that or if that was the Shutter or somebody else, just black. Okay, also in here is a round hood. If you like this kind of thing, that's nice to have. I'll actually put it on now so you can see what it's like. Seems kind of tight. I assume the numbers go at the bottom, so let's try that. There you go. So that is what it looks like with the round hood. Yeah, not really for me. I've never really been a fan of these round hoods, but you know, maybe for you, maybe some people like that style. That's great, and it's nice. Again, they include 2 hoods. Again, just pops off with these little tabs on the side, and it's clearly marked what it is. Okay, next in here, the bubble case. Nice to have. M mount back there. I'm sure it's just glued on the bottom, but yeah, nice little bubble case with the, you know, Manler red dot on it. All right, so now there's the bubble case, and I honestly, there's another box in here, and I honestly don't know what this is. If I can actually get this thing out. Okay, so again, empty box there. And then this branded Manler PRC. Okay, so these are, I should have known this. Nice, yeah, nice. Comes with a body cap, M mount body cap. And I completely forgot they included this, the Manler lens cap. Again, I've kept the square hood on here the entire time, so I've had no real need for this cap, so that's why I forgot it was in there. But definitely a nice little addition. I had some family visiting, so the next few days I took some photos around Bangkok. Having a somewhat faster lens for night shots was a bit of a new experience for me, because usually I shoot with a lens that stops down to only 2.8. So having that 2.0 whenever you're really hunting for any little bit of extra light that you can was a huge advantage that I really liked, and it was a good experience. A couple years ago, I'd seen this image in my head outside of the Queen Circuit Convention Center. It has these weird lights on the steps, and I thought I could get a really good silhouette shot there. A couple years later, I went back, and I couldn't get anything worth talking about. After 5 days in Bangkok, it was time to get home to Da Nang. Welcome to a nice sunny day here in Da Nang, Vietnam. I'm in a little alley just off the northern beach road, and I'm heading to this one area that I've always said that I've wanted to take some photos at. I pass it only whenever I'm taking a taxi to the airport. It's really not that far from my house, but I've never explored that area. So today I'm gonna go and check that area out. For the longest time, I told myself that I wasn't a 35mm shooter. I think I just didn't have a good 35mm lens, because I'm loving this right now. If you're ever wondering, for whatever reason, what an Amazon-style distribution center looks like in Vietnam, that was it. A bunch of people with huge orange things. You can see it's going just behind me now. With bunch of people with huge orange boxes on the back of their bikes, and yeah, that's how your packages get delivered. This is what it's like to shoot street photos in Vietnam. You know, if you think that it's hard to walk around your area with nice big sidewalks, this is what we do. But this is a funeral. We passed a wedding earlier, and this is a funeral. Sometimes I have to be careful with just how many photos I take of people with umbrellas and people with cigarettes in their mouth. I don't know why, whenever I see it, I want to shoot those things. What a lot of people will be asking themselves is this a good option or is this a good budget option? After a month and a half with this lens, I can say that it's both. I'm shocked by the price of it. The quality is way better than what I expected, both build quality and image quality. Probably if you're looking for sharpness corner to corner and you're zooming in and you're one of those people who care about the absolute sharpness at all cost, you might not be happy with this lens. I myself haven't done that comparison because I don't care. But for somebody like me who wants a compact lens, it's definitely an added bonus that it's fast at f2. It feels good, the quality's good. I can't find anything wrong with this lens, down to the packaging, the accessories they give you for 350 American dollars. I don't know how you can find this in any other lens from any other company. If I was looking to buy this lens again, my major concern is where can I find it and how quickly can I get it, because it's just that good. I can't wait to see what other lenses this company makes, because I'll be the first in line to pre-order. This 35mm is just that good.